Hey dear tubers, it's Ethan here today, and I'm going to do an update on the Frigidaire window unit. This is a 5000 BTU. It's from 2016, and she's held up great and doing good in 100-degree heat. It's got a Quingen compressor, and it purrs like a kitten. It's got like some sort of Chinese fan motor on it, dripping some condensate, but overall she's been a good unit. I haven't filmed a whole lot on this unit lately. It's been almost a year since I last filmed on this thing, and hadn't skipped a beat. So let's go look on the inside of it now. This is the inside of it. Just getting a little dirty from running a lot. Need to clean the filter, but she still looks good. This knob's a little loose though. I kind of broke that in cleaning it, but it still looks sort of like the day I got it. So she has not given me a single problem. Here's all the information on it right here. Electrolux Home Products, I guess, Charlotte and North Carolina. Model number is FFRA0511R1. The model number is, no, the serial number is KK61834322. And here's all the rest of the information on it. So yeah, this is an update on the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioner. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Ethan out.